See, we are dealing with volume of revolution. For parametric curves, I have already given the formula. Volume of revolution for parametric form. Parametric form means suppose the equation of the curve is given in parametric form, then it is a to b. So suppose the parameter corresponding to point A is t is equal to a, parameter corresponding to b is t, a to b pi y square dx by dt dt. This is the formula. Suppose it is revolution is about x axis. This is the formula. About y axis, pi into x square dy by dt dt. See, these two formulae important, whether the curve area under the curve is revolved about x axis or y axis is important. See some standard problems here. Find the volume of the solid formed by. Find the volume of the solid formed by the revolution of one arc of the cycloid. First one, x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta, y is a into 1 minus cos theta, about its base. Second, x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta and y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, about its base. Third one, x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta, y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, about x axis or tangent at the origin, about x axis or tangent at the origin. Fourth one, you know that there are four standard forms in cycloid: theta minus sin theta and y is a into 1 plus cos theta, about its base. See the four problems here. You know the cycloids, four different types are there. First one, cycloid is as follows. The given equation represent a cycloid as shown below. We take one arc here. One arc of the cycloid is like this. It is x is equal to we take the parameter here, theta is equal to 2 pi, theta is equal to 0. Because theta is 0, x is 0, y is 0. Theta is pi, x is when theta is 2 pi, we get this point. Theta is 0 and theta is 2 pi. I already explained this shape of the curve. You go through again. What is this? It is symmetric about y axis, because y is even here. Y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta is even. It is symmetric about y axis, and one branch is like this. One branch. Therefore, volume is the solid is obtained by revolving one arc of the cycloid about x axis. So first formula it is. Therefore, required volume is integral 0 to 2 pi into y square dx by dt. This is the formula. Our parameter is theta here. I take d theta with respect to theta. So pi 0 to 2 pi. We take 2 into 0 to pi because definite integral, property of definite integral. 2 into 0 to pi. So 2 pi 0 to pi y square dx by d theta with respect to theta. 2 pi 0 to pi y square a square 1 minus cos theta whole square. What is dx by d theta? A into 1 minus cos theta with respect to theta. Substitution here, dx by d theta is substituted, y is substituted, and property of definite integral is used. What is that? 0 to 2 pi is 2 into 0 to pi, that is used. Therefore 2 pi a cube it is. Correct? 2 pi a cube 0 to pi 1 minus cos theta whole cube with respect to theta. It is therefore a cube it is, correct? A cube. 2 pi a cube 0 to pi 1 minus cos is 2 sin square theta by 2 whole cube with respect to theta. The trigonometric result is used. 1 minus cos is 2 sin square theta by 2. So it is 16 pi a cube. 2 cube a into 2 16. 0 to pi sin theta by 2 raised to 6 with respect to theta. Now how to evaluate this definite integral? For that, substitution. Take theta by 2 is t. Therefore d theta is 2 dt. Limit changes. When theta is 0, new limit is 0. When theta is pi, corresponding new limit is pi by 2. So this is about substitution. 16 pi a cube 0 to pi by 2, new limit becomes 0 to pi by 2. Sin t raised to 6, d theta is 2 dt. Therefore 32 pi a cube 0 to pi by 2 sin t raised to 6 d. Here if you know the limits, that is very important. For that you should know the branch of the curve. Curve tracing is therefore important. Only standard curves will be given. Go through that one. 32 pi a cube sin t raised to 6 is reduction formula is used there. What is the reduction formula? N minus 1 by n. 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 into pi by 2 is because it is even. If it is even, then it is pi by 2. I think all of you understood the formula. That was the first topic, reduction formula. Sin theta raised to n, when n is positive, n is even, it will be multiplied by pi by 2. So 3 1 the 3 2 the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 2 32. This cancels. So we get, is it 5 pi a cube. This is the volume of the solid obtained by revolving one arc of the cycloid. One arc of this cycloid about its base. About its base. Similarly, second one, x is a into theta plus sin theta and y is a into 1 plus cos theta. And you try this, here also you will get pi square, is it pi square? Sorry, pi square a cube. Pi into pi square a cube. But see the third one, what is that? Third one, this is exactly same. You know the shape of the curve here. The curve is like this. For one branch, theta varies from minus pi to pi, and apply the formula, you get this. But third one important, x is a into theta plus sin theta, y is a into 1 minus cos theta. In this case also, curve is symmetric about y-axis. First I draw the one branch of the curve here. Curve is symmetric about y-axis. And how theta varies, you have to see this. For one half of the curve in the first quadrant, theta varies from 0 to pi. So I draw this. Consider coordinate axis. It is symmetric about y axis, and see the values here. When x is 0, y is 0. When x increases, theta plus sin theta, x increases. When we have to plot the points here by taking theta from 0 to pi. Take theta from 0 to pi. See what you get here. Theta from 0 to pi. Theta 0, x 1 values. Take the values x, y and 0, x, y and theta, and see how x varies here. X varies. I take the points here. Theta x, y, and theta is 0, x is 0, y is 0. Theta increases. Take theta is equal to pi by 4. What is x? A into pi by 4 plus sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Y is a into 1 minus pi by 1 plus 1 by root 2. Correct? 1 by root 2. When x is pi by 3, value of y is a into pi by 3 plus pi by 3 plus sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. What is y? A into 1 plus cos pi by 3 is half. 3 by 2a. And when x is pi by 2, theta is pi by 2. What is x? A into pi by 2 plus 1, and it is a. For theta is pi by 2, it is a. Similarly, when x increases, y also increases. When theta is pi, x is a pi. What is y? Y is 0. Is it 0? See this. When theta is equal to pi, correct? Theta is pi. So not this is the curve here. 1 minus it is, correct? A into 1 minus 1 upon root 2. A into 1 minus 1 upon 2. A, because cos pi by 2 is 0. Pi means you will get 2a. Correct? Cos pi is minus 1, y is 2a. You will get maximum value of y like this. When x increases, y also increases like this. Now what is the parameter here? Corresponding to this point, theta is pi here. Because of symmetry, you will get another branch here. Theta is minus pi. Now, area under the curve means this curve area is rotated. What is the problem? Area bounded by the curve, one arc of the cycloid, and x axis or tangent at the vertex is this. This area is revolved about x axis. This area revolved about x axis. And you have to find out what is the volume of the solid so formed. For that, this is symmetry. Because of symmetry, required volume is 2 into 0 to pi y square dx by d theta with respect to theta. Understand this curve, how that branch of the one arc of the cycloid is there, that is important. That plays very important role here. If you know this branch, one arc of the curve, then you can understand what is the limit here, 0 to pi. Because of symmetry, 2 into 0 to pi. But this area is revolved here about x-axis, means this area that I have drawn here, marked here, that area is revolved. So by symmetry we have, this is the area, calculate using definite integral, 2 by 0 to pi, what is y? A square 1 minus cos theta whole square, what is dx by d theta? A into 1 plus cos theta d theta. 1 plus cos theta d theta. Therefore, 2 pi a cube 0 to pi 2 sin square theta by 2 whole square into 2 cos theta by 2 with respect to theta. 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16 pi a cube integral 0 to pi sin theta by 2 raised to 4 cos theta by 2 with respect to theta. I hope all these steps are clear here. You followed these steps. 16 pi a cube integral 0 to pi by 2 sin t raised to 4 cos t raised to cos t and 2 dt. Because in the substitution here, use substitution, theta by 2 is t, d theta is 2 dt by this substitution, and the limit becomes 0 to pi by 2, because when theta is 0, new limit is variable is t is 0, theta is pi, t is pi by 2. In definite integrals, when substitution is used, limits changes. So 32 pi a cube 0 to pi by 2 sin t raised to 4 cos t dt. Cos t dt. Simplify and see what is the answer. This step, (16 into 2) 32. 32 pi a cube 0 to pi by 2 sin t raised to 4 cos t dt. Because I think this step is not clear here, not visible. So after this step, I have written again. It is 32 pi a cube into, how do you integrate? You may use reduction formula, but that is not required. It is fx raised to n f dash x form. So integration is sin t raised to 5 upon 5 0 to pi by 2. What is integration of f of x raised to n into f dash x? It is f of x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, provided n is not equal to minus 1. I have used that formula. Therefore, 32 by 5 pi a cube into sin pi by 2 raised to 5 minus sin 0 raised to 5. But sin pi by 2 is 1. 32 by 5 pi a cube. Just a minute, where this has been found wrong. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square, 2 cos square theta by 2, therefore cos square. See, I had committed some mistake here. You go through this step again. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, cos square t, therefore cos square, therefore I cannot apply this formula here. It is cos square. So use reduction formula. 0 to pi by 2 sin t raised to 4 cos square t. What is the reduction formula? Sin x raised to p cos x raised to q is, start from first factor is p minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3 1, 2 minus 1 1, denominator p plus q is 6, 4, 2, pi by 2 is there, because both are even, pi by 2. So 3 1 the 3 2 the here. this cancels. It is pi square a cube. See, the previous two cardioids we have obtained different answer. What is that? 32. Let me verify that. 32 by 5 pi square a cube. Correct? 5 pi square a cube volume. But in this case, see, area is this much is rotated about revolved about x axis. So we have obtained only pi square a cube. This is the volume. Go through again, because I have committed some small mistake here that affects the answer, final answer. I have made it correct here. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So it changes and the integration becomes this one. Now for polar curves, what is the formula? First take the formula and I explain how to apply that formula. Take the formula. Volume of the solid form by revolving the area bounded by the curve r is equal to f of theta and the radii vectors theta is equal to alpha, theta is equal to beta about the initial line. About the initial line is integral alpha to beta 2 by 3 pi r cube sin theta d theta. See, this is about initial line. If the area bounded by the curve whose equation is given in that is polar form is revolved about initial line and the line bounding the vectorial angles are alpha and beta, then this is the formula. Example, the cardioid, take this, the cardioid r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta rotates about the initial line. Find the volume of the solid generated. Find the volume of the solid generated. Quickly I explain how to apply the formula here. Say, consider this is the initial line, this is the line, theta is pi by 2 and the cardioid is like this. R is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta is like this. Now this area is revolved about initial line. Because of symmetry, if you revolve complete cardioid or only this part, then you will get the same solid. So I take only this area is revolved about the initial line. What is the initial line? Theta is 0 and the area is bounded by two lines. One is initial line, second is theta is pi. So what are the limits of integration? 0 and pi. See, theta alpha, theta beta. Alpha is 0, beta is pi. So volume is 0 to pi 2 by 3 pi r cube sin theta d theta. So 2 by 3 pi 0 to pi, what is r cube? R cube is a cube 1 plus cos theta cube sin theta d theta. Therefore 2 by 3 pi a cube 0 to pi 1 plus cos theta cube sin theta d theta. Now you have to evaluate this. evaluate this. Now how do you evaluate? 2 by 3 pi a cube. Reduction formula is not required. By substitution you can evaluate. What is the substitution? Take 1 plus cos theta is t. Therefore minus sin theta d theta is dt. Limits changes. When theta is 0, t is it 2 here? T is cos 0, cos pi is t, theta is 0, t is 2, theta is pi, t is equal to 0. Cos pi is minus 1. So it is 2 to 0, 1 plus cos theta is t, t cube minus dt. Sin theta d theta is minus dt, correct? It is therefore 2 pi a cube upon 3 or minus t raised to 4 by 4 2 to 0. 2 to 0. This is the substitution. So minus pi a cube upon 6, 2 to the 4, 6, and 0 minus 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4. See the final answer. What is the answer? Let me verify whether I got the same answer here. 2 raised to 4 minus becomes plus here. Pi a cube upon 6 into 2 raised to 4 is 16. Or it is 8 by 3 pi a cube. This is the answer. 8 by 3 pi a cube. So application is, you should know the formula first. 2 by 3 pi r cube sin theta. We have different formula here for quadrature, one formula, that is length of the area, one formula, length of the arc, one formula, volume of revolution formula, surface of revolution, one more application is left. That is for Cartesian parametric polar. It is polar form, 2 by 3 pi r cube sin theta. And the standard curves will be appear. You have to go through the standard curves. Remember that curves. You need not write in detail about the curve. Directly take the curve here. And if you know the limits, then that is sufficient. Evaluation is like this. Final answer is 8 by 3 pi a cube. Therefore, the volume of the solid obtained is 8 by 3 pi a cube. I continue remaining in the next period. I take surface of revolution in the next period.